Next speaker is a top innovator, and he's going to tell us about what it's all about as a top innovator and what he's doing. And I'd like to bring up Tim Quinn from ThingTech.
Number one, thank you so much for having us here. We're certainly excited and proud to be, number one, a member now of the Wireless Technology Forum. We're also very, very excited to share our experiences and what we are doing as it relates to IoT, connected devices, and the things around that. So obviously, ThingTech, the name is derived from the IoT, or the Internet of Things. What we do and who we are, we're a team of approximately 18 engineers, business executives, focus exclusively on connected devices, real-time data, predictive analytics, and then improving and optimizing the business processes around that. We're located and headquartered in Atlanta Tech Village right now, although we will be moving into Armour Yards over the next couple months. We've just signed a 3-year lease there due to our growth, which we're very excited about. But the technologies that we provide and what we do with our team, and by the way, I have to welcome a lot of our developers are back there. This is the first time they ever heard what we do, and they're probably shaking their heads. They have no idea what we do. You know, I don't know anything, but I write this piece of software. But they're here, and we're certainly glad to have them. We have a super fantastic team. My personal background has been in machine-to-machine, telematics, schedule route optimization, dispatching for the past 25 years. My first real-time, quote-unquote, IoT deployment was a CAD AVL system in the city of San Antonio in 1992 using signpost technology. Anybody remember signpost technology? Very few people do. Signpost, you stick it in the wayside by the road. When the vehicle drives by it, it emits RFID technology. That piece of technology communicates over a public or a private data radio network and says, hey, this vehicle's passed me, so that's where he is, or she is. That's old school stuff. But I've been involved in this field for a long, long time. We're really, really excited about what IoT can do and what it will do for not just the public sector, but the private sector. So we're going to focus on some of the things that we've done really with smarter cities and really next-gen transportation. When I say that, mobility on demand, or a new term that's coming up in the transportation space and the multimodal space is mobility as a service. So we're going to talk about some of these things since this is kind of the framework around this. Now, what we build are IoT solutions, and really what does that mean? It's a buzzword for a lot of different things. We connect to GPS devices, we can connect to sensors in the infrastructure, water quality sensors. We're working on a grant for Smarter Cities Challenge with the EPA for air quality sensors deployed out in the field to measure particulate matter, measure ozone, measure lots of different things, but bring that data back into a container with geospatial analytics, predictive analytics, and a rules-based engine that says, hey, something's going on in your business right now, whether you're a city or a private sector organization. So we deal with construction companies, utility companies like Southern Power. We deal with a lot of public works and smarter cities organizations. We also deal with field service organizations. The products we provide connect to devices. That data comes back over multiple communication methods. It could be cellular, it could be Wi-Fi, it could be Zigbee, it could be XB, name it. It could be Bluetooth connected to another piece of technology. But communications, whatever the communication is, feeds into something that we call the ThingX Connect platform. The ThingX Connect platform allows us to connect to multiple devices over multiple communication methods and protocols, such as MQTT. Anybody know what MQTT is? Okay, good. Well, that's a big thing for the IoT, by the way, for those that you don't know about it. So that's the standard now, and others may come out, but that's the standard. But ThingX Connect allows us to connect to multiple devices, multiple sensors, multiple machines to bring that data back for real-time data to do something about it. Now, IoT is great, but let me tell you, when you get the data back and something's breaking right now, somebody's contaminated my water supply for Fulton County. Well, what are you going to do about it? Why don't we shut it down? Why don't we dispatch a technician to go fix it? Why don't we issue a work order on a mobile phone to go see what's going on? Those are the things that we do, and when we're going to talk about kind of the real-world implementations of IoT, we have them. We're implementing IoT in the real world to create real business value. And those being, and by the way, we do have a booth back there, please come talk to us. But we're deploying things to Fulton County government. 1,400 assets flying around. We know where they are. We know what they're doing. We know what their water supply is. We know where their technicians are. We know where their inspectors are. How do you fix it? How do you route them? How do you navigate to that place? Natick, Massachusetts, City of Burleson, completely automating their processes. Ride Connection, which is a mobility on demand solution. Think of Uber for transit. And let's think about ARC, the Atlanta Regional Commission. We're putting together right now an IoT platform for connected devices, connected to transit, for real-time information across the region of where's my bus and how to go from point A to point B. We're back there in the back. Thank you very much for having us. Thank you for Steve for having us here. And we look forward to working with you guys in the future. Thank you very much.